In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the white cursor issue in Google Docs, which can be particularly troublesome when you're in the middle of an important document. Let's walk through this together. It should only take about 5 minutes to get everything set up correctly. First off, let's start by navigating to the control panel on your Windows computer. To do this, you can either type control panel into the search bar located on your taskbar, or find it in your settings menu depending on your version of Windows. Opening the control panel is a great first step because it hosts a variety of settings we'll need to access. Next, once you have the control panel open, look for the section labeled Hardware and Sound. This is where we manage all the devices connected to your computer, and critically here, the mouse settings. Click on Hardware and Sound to proceed to the next step. Once you're there, you'll see a link or icon labeled Mouse under the Devices and Printers section. Click on that mouse link to open up the Mouse Properties dialog box. Here, you can modify various mouse settings, but today, we're going to focus on the cursor settings that seem to be causing the issue. After you have the Mouse Properties window open, locate and click on the Pointers tab. This tab is specifically designed to let you customize how your cursor appears on the screen. It's particularly useful since you can substitute hard-to-see cursors with ones that stand out more against any background. In the Pointers tab, you'll see a list of different cursors, but for addressing the white cursor problem, we want to look at the current pointer scheme. You can select a different pointer style, such as a solid black arrow, which tends to be more visible against white or light backgrounds that are often found in Google Docs. This change can make a world of difference when working for extended periods. Finally, we want to make sure the Text Select pointer, which appears as a cursor when you're typing, isn't set to a white outline style. This can sometimes make it almost invisible on bright backgrounds. Adjust it if necessary to a more defined and fuller style that works better for you. And there you have it, the steps you need to resolve the white cursor issue in Google Docs. By tweaking these pointer settings, you ensure that your workflow remains uninterrupted and your screen remains easy to read and navigate. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more practical guides. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.